All right, so this is a little Ranger that went 809, less than 400 cubic inches, 94 millimeter turbo. And what are you going to elaborate on? What can you tell us about how much power does this make? What's the fastest it's gone?
The fastest it's been is 769, 185. We have about probably 400 horsepower pulled out of it right now.
Oh, okay.
Just to get down the track.
How much power was it putting down when it made that 8.0 pass?
Probably about 1,800.
About 1,800, good lord. And you said it's something like, what, 370 something inches?
375 cubic inches.
Aren't you guys out of Kemo or something like that?
We're out of League City.
League City, okay, League City.
Yeah.
And now, like, if people want to find out about Oddball, what do they do?
On my Facebook page, it's Oddball Turbo and Fabrication on Facebook.
Cool, man. Well, I appreciate the interview, man. This is a sick truck, and congratulations on that pass, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Cool, thanks.